All right, you're welcome back. So let's continue from where we stop. Now, today we want to create the area for the wings of the nose. Okay. When I select this, where's the button? Okay. So you notice this. This goes like this. Okay, and what we have here is stopping here. So I need to adjust the vertex there. Okay, so that is this. Let me see, adjust this. No, it should be this, right? Adjust, just trying to adjust it, but we can create another one here, but that will be done very soon. Just trying to adjust it to that area. So this, then actually move it. Okay, so now from here, um to select, to create what we need, man on the keyboard, I need let me see, we need to extrude. So base, we won't make use of this region. Let's see, let's use it as well. This and this. Okay, so if I extrude, Ctrl E to extrude, remember we are just offsetting, make this to be, let this radius to be a little bit low like this, then select offset, hold down your middle mouse button and drag. Okay, so once we do this, it's not giving me what I need. Okay, so for this reason, undo this, undo it. Okay, undo it. Now, two things. What are the two things here? The two things is either we create, is that we create another create another vertex, okay, another edge, so that it will serve as a guide for us. And what am I trying to say here? In order for us to do that, once I select this, and I press this, it goes all the way round. Okay, it goes all the way around. That is one way to do it, no problem. But the other way to do it again is, because it's not really all the cases where you need to start inputting edges when you don't need it. You only try to create more edges when you actually need it. Okay, so let's see, we can actually probably for the sake of this tutorial, let me just create that one more. Okay, if I create that one, I press to my keyboard, I want to see what it gives me. Okay, so since it's okay, no problem. Now from here, press one on the keyboard again. Now we now have this is the middle point. We have the edge that stands for the nose area here. Okay, so this place and this place will now be selected and extruded inside, so which means this is the middle point, this is the one we just created. So we select this and this and this and this. Okay, face, select, Control E. So offset it first. It's still getting too much, so you can just reduce it again. So offset it like this. Now you need to switch to this right view now for us to see. So look at, okay, this is on the what do you call it, on the one view, that is not the smooth mode. Okay, that's why we are seeing these black spots. So which we need to correct that as well. We need to correct that. It's very important. So from here, you can see the benefit of switching from 1 to 3, from the smooth mode to non-smooth mode. Now for you to see your topology. So select this to see inside. So the windpipe actually starts from somewhere there. So what we can do now is press R on the keyboard to scale. We can scale, just scale it in this direction. Just trying to mimic it now. Press vertex, just take this W, put it somewhere here. Just trying to create that area. Okay, so somewhere here, somewhere here, okay, somewhere here as well. So for this, come somewhere here. That's for the windpipe. Okay, so here it should be somewhere at this place. Here as well. I mean here as well, somewhere here. Okay, now again select faces and Control E to extrude. So we are extruding in this Z direction, so like this. So perspective view to see what we are doing. This, okay. So since it's not what they will see, okay, unless someone try to peep into your nose. So standing like this, people actually don't see the inner part of your nose. Okay, so like this, just trying to zoom it, and I can as well scale it a little bit. Okay, so create a division. Just press T on the keyboard, division. So I want division means in between the area it was before and when you extrude, do you want an edge? So that is the meaning of a division. So I'll just press 2. So that is created something like that for me, which is okay. So I can just scale it again to be okay. I think that is okay. And press D on the keyboard. So now if you look at is the model, okay, is windpipe is not as narrow as this. It's not. So we need to widen this a little bit. Okay, and I think as well select this, select this, select this. So from here, when you've selected one, you could just go your selection just by pressing holding down Control and the greater than button. I mean shift and greater than button, okay, on your keyboard. So just to then goes down into a bit like, okay. So from here it's looking, it looks nice now. It's nice. Okay, let's try to um video to scale this inside now. Okay, so that won't be so obvious. Take it in. Okay, so this is what we have, right? So which there's still room for adjustment, but there's something we did not do here, which is the, so, whatever we see here, it also reflects there. So we could also vertex, just try to push it inside. Okay, just take it inward. Okay, so here again, here, here, okay, here, here. So in this direction, just take it inward. Then deselect whatever you selected here before, which means this is what you'll be selecting now. Then just take this in. Okay, if I press 3 on the keyboard, all seasons being equal, we have this. Okay, so right click, objects, select out. So let's see the roundness. Okay, now but this is giving me the edge again because of those vertex I introduced, but nevertheless, no problem, that can be sorted out. That will be sorted out. So those need to just remove it away from. I don't want it to affect the nose area. Okay, so likewise this, remove it away from the nose, deselect the nose area. So I'm holding down control and dragging to deselect this area I don't want it to affect. So right click and select edge flow. So when I look at it now, it should have given me a tremendous change. Okay, so here it is. The change has really occurred. So this one also, we need to select this. Okay, and edge flow. So when I said the edge flow, let me look at it again. Okay, so we can still select this if we notice we are not getting what we need. Okay, so another edge flow. Now when you look at it now, so like you see, it's now smooth. Okay, it's smooth now. All right, so that is that. So in the next class, we will work on the mouth, the lip area. Stay tuned.